Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have device unlock and any required admin permission. This prevents surprises. Once ready, open Settings and choose Apps or Apps and Notifications so you see app controls. Make sure to tap See All Apps to reveal the full installed list. You need the exact entry. If you use a customized launcher, search within Settings for installed apps. This first step gets you into the management view where disabling begins, so pause only to confirm the correct app name. You now pick the app and open App Info. This is the control center for that package. If Disable is active, tap it and confirm. If it's grayed out, first use Force Stop, then Storage right arrow Clear Cache and Clear Storage to unlock the option. Once done, tap Disable and accept prompts about reverting to factory version or removing updates. Make sure to read the confirmation so you know whether this affects widgets or signed-in accounts. That's why you clear data first. You finish by rebooting the device to ensure the app stays disabled and background services stop. If Disable failed, revoke the app's permissions and uninstall updates, then try disabling again. Sometimes permission locks block the action. Once done, check Home and Widgets for behavior. If the app resists because of third-party interference, boot into safe mode and repeat the disable process. Safe mode isolates system services and helps complete the action without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.